What's up? Welcome back to Minty Motos. Just here cleaning the last little bit up from the last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's really cool, really funny. But yeah, let's get to it. Put all the new stuff in, got rid of all the old stuff. But first, let's open some boxes. Woo. Also, we just got this awesome new engine stand. This thing is awesome. It is gonna help us out so much. The only thing is we can't bang out bearings and stuff and bang new bearings in on it, because I mean, like, it's not, I don't know, I just don't want to break it. It's new. Action. First up is the crankshaft assembly. We went with Wiseco. I absolutely love Wiseco. They have the best parts. But instantly full bottom end gasket kit and seals. That's going to be super helpful because again we're redoing every single seal and bearing in the entire bike with the brand new perfect crankshaft. Woo! We put them in the freezer about like an hour before we do the bearings because that actually helps a lot with the installation. You can even heat up where they seat, because it just like expands and shrinks. I don't know how it all works, but it helps really well to install them so you don't have to sit there slamming your stuff around, breaking things. But yeah, tusk air filter, epic wide pegs. You guys really don't need to spend 150 plus on freaking wide pegs. You can literally just go to Amazon and get these wide pegs. They are absolutely amazing, super durable. We have them on every single one of our bikes, last forever. No need to freaking spend so much money on freaking pegs. These work the exact same. ODI matte black grips. Love ODI grips as well. Throttle tube. Matte black pro tape bar pad. Got a brake pedal. And a shifter. This thing's gonna have so much bling to it. Clear carb vent tubes. They're gonna look sweet. Pro X piston. I meant to go Wiseco. I don't know why I ended up with the Pro X. But it all works the same way, you know? It's a piston. And a Vortex rear sprocket. I got a sticker! Oh. Next. Not you. Next box. Last but not least, full Pulley Sport plastic kit. Didn't come with fork guards, but we went ahead and got them as well. Pulley Sport for the win. This is epic. 100% all white. So excited. Everything is 100% cleaned up. We have greasy hands and stuff, so it might not be super clean. But this is the swing arm. We polished it up along with the cylinder and the head to make it look brand freaking new. So, bad news, top end gaskets, we don't know where they went. We don't even know if we ordered them, so we're gonna have to go look to see if we ordered them. I swear we did, but we don't have them. And we're not about to reuse our old ones, even though these are new, they've been used, so we're not about to reuse those. Because, I mean, we don't even have our rings for the top of them. Yeah, so if we can't find those, this is the end of tonight. Alright, so it turned out we actually did not order the gaskets. I don't know why. I think it's because when we bought the bike, we bought a whole gasket kit for the top end to try to fix the leak, the coolant leak you guys saw in the earlier video. So we got that, so that was already in the list. So I guess we looked at that, we're like, okay, we already ordered that, but we already used it. So we needed new ones. So we went to our local KTM shop and got a new top end gasket along with the seals. I hope these are the right ones.
They should be.
They should be, hopefully. I mean, if they aren't, that's gonna really suck. We got very bored We got freaking mullets. Take your hat off. Freaking mullets, boys. Let's freaking get it. Alright, if you guys didn't see the video prior to this one, the teardown, we tried cleaning these cases the best we could. I mean, we couldn't get it perfect. So we just ended up refinishing the inner clutch cover, the outer clutch cover, and the ignition cover with new paint. And it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. So let's get to it. Sad news. Freaking lost the freaking shock bolts. No idea how or why or when. If I was a bolt, where would I be? So we made a slight mistake. I knew we shouldn't have done it from the beginning, but everyone was saying, this is the stuff, it'll work great, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But we tried to finish the case covers ourselves, and it did absolute terrible. You guys can probably see throughout the video that more chips were happening and appearing throughout the cases. So, yeah, this is not gonna work, so we gotta really quick drain the oil again, and we're going to pull out the inner clutch cover, outer clutch cover, and the ignition cover, and completely strip it, and do our best just to try to make it look good, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's a dirt bike, but it's okay, because we're going to fix it like everything else. Alright, there we go. We stripped it completely free of all of that paint we had on there, so now it looks normal, and still pretty freaking good. Now it's time to make her look absolutely sexy and slap on the plastics. Yeah. there we have it, guys. The official build of the 144SX. Pretty stoked on how this bike turned out. We really flipped this one around. The motor is absolutely amazing, runs perfectly, and absolutely rips. And then on top of that, we have the bike looking as clean as we could get it with the tools we had. But I mean, it's pretty epic. Starts first kick.